Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick overview of our Lego Target MOC. This is built in micro scale, not minifigure scale, so it's not that big, but it fits well within most cities. As you'll see, there are a ton of little details and it follows the modern Target build out. While you're here, we'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel and we really appreciate everybody's support so far. As mentioned, the full set of instructions can be found on our website. When you download those, you also get a parts file, which you can upload to bricklink.com for easy ordering of the exact parts and pieces you'll need, or you can swap out colors and parts in Studio, which is a software program released by Bricklink themselves. Additionally, you can find instructions on our website on how to make the stickers and logos. Head down to the footer section and click the link for stickers and logos, and it'll walk you through that process. So please enjoy and let us know in the comments what you guys think. And that's it. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.